Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving LeetCode 1752. Check if the array is sorted or and rotated. This is very interesting beginner friendly array problem based on observation and circular traveling all the logics. So let's start with the problem statement. We are given an integer array called numbers. Our task is to determine whether the array is original sorted and in non-decreasing order and then rotate some numbers of the times. Suppose number is equals to array given for 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. The original array was 1, 2, 3, 4. It is rotated by some after some rotation it becomes 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So the answer becomes true. In short, in a sorted and rotated array, there can be a most one position where number I is greater than number I plus 1 because rotation break the sorted array. So I will show with the code. So this is the code for the problem. We initialize count equals to 0. This count how many sorted order breaks. Now travel all the array for every index. Compare current index with the next index using I plus 1 modulus n. This handle comparison for the last element. If number of I is greater than number of I plus 1 modulus n, that means sorted array break. So increase the count and finally if the count is less than 1 or equals to 1, return true, otherwise return false. The time complexity is O into n and place complexity is O into 1. The time complexity is O into n because we travel the array once, and place complexity is O into 1 since we only use few variables. So that was the solution for 1752. Check if the array is sorted or and rotated. Thank you.